sometimes Hashem is going to give you a difficulty that you don't want. In fact, most of the time it's the one you don't want. So you're going to pray for a shidduch. You're going to pray for parnasah. You're going to pray for a kid. You're going to pray for certain things that you want. And many times it's going to cause you to neglect other things. So you're praying for a shidduch, but you're not focusing on the rest of tshuva. You're praying for a parnasah, but you're not focusing on limud. You're praying all different things, something you want, which many times causes you to neglect something else. And the problem is that you are now extending your problem. So someone came to the Chofetz Chaim almost 100 years ago and asked him, Kvod Harav, is there a ticket to Gan Eden? Meaning, is there like a shortcut? Is there like one thing you can do and you got Gan Eden? You know, like you can finish the Shas, I don't know, 5 times, 10 times, I don't know, like if you learn the entire Shulchan Aruch by heart or something, if you are, your beard reaches the floor, I don't know, is there something you can do, you know you're in Gan Eden? Guaranteed Gan Eden. Is there? Anybody know? Chofetz Chaim says, Asameach bechelko. Someone's happy with a share. But not happy with a share like we think happy with a share. Not happy with a share like we think happy. Happy with a share means, to us, oh, he has $5, he's happy with $5. He has $10, he's happy with $10. He has 10 million, he's happy with 10 million. No, that's not happy with a share, Rabotai. That's not what the Chofetz Chaim was saying. He's happy with a share means that when Hashem gives him problems, he gives him a broken leg, he gives him a broken window, he gives him a broken marriage, he gives him a broken child, he gives him a broken head. He's happy. Why? This is exactly where Hashem wants me now. Meaning, Hashem could have given me every possible opportunity in the world to serve him. This is what he's giving me these problems. Now, meaning he wants me to serve him under these conditions. With no money, with no wife, with no kids, with all the problems I have right now is exactly what Hashem wants me now.
That's the ticket?
That's the ticket. Being happy like that. Being happy meaning I'm going to not only be happy, now I'm going to serve him the best under these circumstances. Never say, oh, if I would have had more money, then such and such. Or if I would have had such and such, then such and... No. That, Rabotai, is kfirah. That's kfirah. A person can never say, if I had such and such, then I would do such and such. Then you're not allowed to do that. Why? Because in essence what we're saying is that Hashem is making a mistake. Hashem made a mistake. If he gave me more, then I could do a better job for him. Which means that you know better than Hashem. We don't know better than Hashem.